Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us today. Stay with us while we take this stack of old used pallet wood and turn it into this. To get started, we will take and lay out what will be known as the body of the bird and feathers. While she is doing this, I think it's only right that I mention how talented my beautiful bride is and how fun it is to work on these projects together. As you can see, she is drawing out the bird on the pallet wood. Now that the body has been drawn, she will lay out more pallet wood and draw the neck and the head of the bird, using a ruler to make sure that everything is even on both sides. Makes life a little easier later on when we cut. Using this miter saw, I cut the pieces of wood down to a smaller size, making them a little bit easier to cut around. Using what I have, which is just a simple plastic table, I secure the pieces of wood there and then take my jigsaw and cut out the back side of the bird. And then I'll move to the front side of the bird, the neck and the head. And from here, I go ahead and smooth out all the edges. Try to sand it as evenly as possible on both sides. Few extra pieces of pallet wood and glue, I secured the back side of the turkey with 3/4 inch brad nails. Here's our rough draft, and now on to my beautiful bride for the painting. She'll paint the back side and then the front of the turkey, and also the 2x4 that we're using as a base. I'm going to come back later on and secure it all together. As she finishes painting this 2x4, we're going to let it set and cure overnight, and then we'll come back in the morning and put it all together. If you hadn't already, go ahead and give us a like and subscribe. Join us in the future for some more how-to videos and just all-around goofiness. Now it's time to finish this turkey up. Using wood glue, we're going to glue the front part to the back part. It's pretty simple. Then we're going to follow up with some 3/4 inch brad nails, securing the front to the back. Once that's all secure, now we got to get the gobbler right. Gluing and nailing. From this point, make sure you look over real well and wipe off any excess glue. Our last step is to mount the turkey on the 2x4. Using L brackets, I'm going to mark these holes and then drill the holes out. Then come back and screw in the L brackets. When using a drill to put these screws in, don't over tighten. Just make sure they're snug and secure. Once that's done, there's your turkey.